we will learn about slide organization in PowerPoint. Although PowerPoint templates provide impressive pre-designed slides, you may still need to make changes in your presentation. Editing a slide involves adding, deleting and rearranging slides, changing backgrounds and layouts, inserting text box, etc. Contents of the existing slides can also be changed. Students, now can you tell me the difference between normal view and slide sorter view? Now let's first talk about changing the slide layout. Slide layout refers to the way things are arranged on a slide. A layout contains placeholders which hold text, styles, bulleted list and slide content such as tables, charts, pictures, shapes and clip art. Each time when you insert a new slide, you can choose a layout that matches your requirement. The layout can be modified either in normal view or slide sorter view. Students note that you can insert a new slide by pressing Ctrl+M keys. Click on the View tab and select the Slide Sorter View button. Choose the slide whose layout you want to change. Click on the Layout button in the Slides group on the Home tab. The Layout drop-down list will open with various layouts. Select the layout according to your requirement. The text on the slide will be rearranged automatically according to the chosen layout. Now let us understand rearranging slides in the Outline tab. To change the order of the slide from one position to another in Outline tab, follow these steps. Click on the Normal button on the View tab. If needed, choose the Outline tab to display the outline of the text in the slides. Select the slide icon of the slide you want to move. Drag the slide to a new location. A horizontal line appears as you drag the slide. When the horizontal line reaches to the desired location, release the mouse. The slide moves to the new location. Students note that in normal view you can rearrange the slides in the Slides tab also. Know the fact that we can select more than one slide consecutively by holding down the Shift key while you click on each slide. Now let us understand rearranging slide in Slide Sorter view. Click on the Slide Sorter View button on the View tab. Select the slide that you want to move. Drag the selected slide to a new location. A vertical bar appears next to the slide where the slide is moved. Students, know the fact that if you want to minimize the ribbon from the window, double-click on any tab. The ribbon will disappear. Double-click on any tab again to make the ribbon reappear. Now let us talk about editing text object. It is important to know how to perform basic tasks with text while working in PowerPoint. The text you type in placeholders such as title, subtitle, etc. can only be modified in the normal view. Open the slide in which you want to edit the text. Click on the text. A placeholder will appear. Place the cursor at that point where you want to edit the text. Now make the required changes in the text. After editing the text, click on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar to save the changes. Students, always remember that while working with objects, we should be in the normal view. Students note that to add any tool or menu on the ribbon, right-click on the tool or command you intend to add on the Quick Access toolbar. Select the Add to Quick Access toolbar option. The tool will be added on the Quick Access toolbar. Okay, now let us talk about moving objects. In a presentation, you can move the objects from one place to another either on the same slide or between the different slides. Follow these steps to move an object. Select the object. Click on the Cut button located on the Home tab or use the Ctrl+X option. The object disappears from the slide and is placed on the clipboard. Place the cursor after the last point on the same side. Click on the Paste button on the Home tab or use Ctrl+V option. The selected object will appear at the cursor position. Now let me share some tips with you. To move the text object to another position, click anywhere inside the placeholder that contains text. Place the pointer on the border. When the pointer changes to a double-headed arrow, click on the border and drag the mouse to where you want to place the text and then release the mouse button. Now let us talk about copying objects. You can copy the objects anywhere on a slide, between the slides, or from one presentation file to another. This feature helps in reducing time and efforts of a user. Copy and paste command duplicate the selected objects. The copy feature is similar to cut feature except that it copies the object without removing the object from its original location. Select the object. Click on the Copy button on the Home tab or use Ctrl+C key combination. A copy of selected object is placed on the clipboard. Place the cursor after the last point. Click on the Paste button on the Home tab or press Ctrl+V. The duplicate copy of an object will appear in its new location. Students know that we can create a duplicate copy of the slide by selecting that slide and pressing Ctrl+D. Alright students, let us talk about deleting text objects. To delete a text object from a slide without deleting the slide, follow these steps. Click on the text object that you want to delete. The selected object will have a dash border around it. Click on the border of the placeholder. The border will change from dash border to line. Press the Delete key. The existing text will be deleted. Now let us talk about working with word art. The word art feature helps you to create special text effects. Using the word art, you can make the text curved, wavy, shadowed, or apply 3D effects, etc. On the Insert tab, click on the Word Art button in the text group. The drop-down menu of Word Art Gallery opens up on the screen as shown in the figure. Select any word art style. Type KIPS in the placeholder and select this text. Click on the text fill drop-down arrow in the Word Art Styles group on the Format tab. Select the desired color and observe the change. Click on the Text Outline drop-down arrow. Choose the desired outline color from the displayed list. Now click on the Text Effects drop-down arrow. Point to the glow option and select the desired effect from the glow variations section. You will find a beautiful change in the text. Students, now let us talk about inserting text box.